Hey guys! Are you ready to embark on an animal adventure? In this video, we're going to meet the weirdest, most unique, and incredible creatures that inhabit our planet. Grab your popcorn because this is going to be one wild ride. In the chilly waters of Mexico, where aquatic life is rich and diverse, lives a truly peculiar creature called the axolotl. This tiny amphibian is a genuine national treasure. With its adorable feathery gills and a permanent smile, it's winning hearts all around the world. This amphibian is a master at overcoming its own challenges, showing impressive resilience. You know that story about regenerating limbs, organs, and even parts of the brain? Well, it actually does that. Imagine losing a leg and watching it grow back, as if by magic. Scientists, of course, are scratching their heads trying to understand all this magic. They're working tirelessly to unravel the secrets behind this incredible regenerative ability. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Pollution and habitat destruction are putting the axolotl in danger. Urbanization and water contamination are threatening their survival. Protecting this little beauty of nature is our responsibility, don't you think? We need to act now to ensure that the axolotl continues to charm and delight future generations with its smile. At the bottom of the Pacific Ocean, the red-lipped batfish is the master of seduction. This peculiar fish is a true artist of underwater allure. With its carnival-worthy bright red lips, it hypnotizes its prey. These vibrant lips aren't just for show, though. They're an essential tool for its survival. Meanwhile, its camouflaged body blends in with the ocean floor. It seamlessly merges with the coral reefs, becoming almost invisible to both predators and prey. It's almost like a master of Brazilian-style conquest, using its lips to attract fish and crustaceans and then, gobble them up. Its technique is so effective that it rarely fails. And don't think he just stays put, no way. This clever creature uses its pectoral fins like legs to hide. It glides along the ocean floor with a unique grace, almost as if it's strutting down an underwater runway. It's truly a spectacular sight to behold. In the icy Arctic realm, the narwhal reigns supreme, with its spiral tusk that looks straight out of a fairy tale. But hold on, this horn is actually a tooth. The tusk is really an overgrown tooth, packed with nerves and sensory organs. Sadly, illegal fishing and climate change are threatening the existence of our marine unicorn. Protecting the narwhal means ensuring that this magic continues to enchant our oceans. In Australia, we find the master of disguise, the leafy sea dragon. Covered in leaf-like appendages that mimic seaweed, it blends into its surroundings like no other. And if things get dicey, it can change color in the blink of an eye. Oh, and speaking of differences, here it's the daddy sea dragon who carries the eggs. In the forests of Madagascar lives the ai, with its bulging eyes and long fingers that seem to have a life of their own. Using its super hearing, it locates larvae hidden within tree trunks. Unfortunately, its unusual appearance and nocturnal habits have earned it a reputation as a bad omen, putting the species at risk of extinction. Protecting the ai means preserving the richness of our wildlife. In the Indian and Pacific Oceans, danger lurks in the form of stone, quite literally. The stonefish is a master of camouflage, blending into its surroundings and becoming nearly invisible. But don't be fooled, beneath this harmless appearance lie venomous spines. To avoid accidents, be extra careful when walking on the sand and don't forget to wear your flip-flops. Get ready to meet the mimic Octopus, the king of marine disguise. This artist of the Indian and Pacific Oceans changes color and texture in seconds, imitating other sea creatures. It's as if it has an endless wardrobe of disguises. In the forests of Southeast Asia, we find the Tarsier, a primate with eyes that look like they're about to pop out of its head. These huge eyes aren't just for show though. They allow it to see in complete darkness. With its super sensitive ears, it can detect any suspicious movement. Its hind limbs and sticky padded fingers make it a master of acrobatic leaps. But don't be fooled by its cuteness. It's quite the predator. Get ready for a deep-sea expedition to meet the blobfish, a gelatinous creature that looks like it stepped right out of a sci-fi movie. Its flabby body allows it to float effortlessly in the extreme depths of the Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Oceans. However, overfishing has put the survival of this unique species at risk. Protecting the blobfish means safeguarding the biodiversity of our oceans. In the vast, mysterious forests of Central Africa, we encounter the enigmatic Okapi, a fascinating animal that looks like a cross between a zebra and a giraffe. This one-of-a-kind creature, with its reddish-brown coat and white striped legs, is truly a spectacular sight in nature. It's a close relative of the giraffe, and like its tall cousin, has a long, flexible tongue to reach the highest tree branches. This remarkable tongue not only helps with feeding but also aids in grooming and communication with other okapis. Unfortunately, illegal hunting and the destruction of their natural habitat have put the okapi at serious risk of extinction. Agricultural expansion and logging are major threats that need to be tackled head-on. Protecting this species is crucial to ensure that the beauty and diversity of African wildlife continue to thrive. Conservation efforts like establishing nature reserves and running captive breeding programs are vital for the survival of the okapi and many other endangered species. So what do you think? Did you enjoy learning about some of the strangest and most incredible animals on our planet? We hope this journey has sparked your curiosity to discover even more about the amazing diversity of life on Earth. Until next time.